Hey everybody, today at UPR Products, we've got Jason's 2014 SHO Taurus. This is a really beautiful car. He's got some very tasteful modifications done, and we installed our dual valve catch can kit. So we just want to show you how it goes on. It's pretty easy, and it is a really good addition to these twin turbo V6 cars. So the first step is just getting the catch can situated in place here. It's going to mount on the bracket where the ground is. So we actually are making a change to the kit. We're going to have this knob here, very easy to put on. It's going to have a stud that you'll screw into the ground with a nut to secure the ground so the ground does not move, and you'll have a quick release knob to remove the can. Your PCV hose is going to route back under the strut tower brace up and over to the top of the catch can. That's your inlet to the catch can. You'll have your outlet going to go back and around to your intake manifold vacuum fitting. We've got our Pro Series check valve here, and the arrows on the check valves always face away from the catch can towards the engine. The wide open throttle hose is going to route along the front of the radiator here, under the coolant line, under the AC line, and then up around the degas bottle and up to the side of the catch can. So again, under the AC line, the coolant line, around the front, this is going to route along the front of the radiator support to your cold air intake or your air box inlet tube fitting. So your factory hose would normally run from here across the valve cover to here. We cap this off, and the reason being is we now move your clean side. Your fresh air is going to go through your fresh air or your clean side separator. Clean side separator just goes onto the valve cover with an adapter and pushes in very simply. Double O-ring makes it secure. So the dual valve catch can for your 2010 to 2014 Taurus SHO. Easy install, easy to maintain, all quality hoses and products. Get yours at uprproducts.com or at any UPR Products dealer.